You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
OnePlus Z is an upcoming premium-range smartphone offering by the company. The upcoming device is suspected to get an excellent screen quality with a high pixel density along with a pleasing refresh rate. Considering the spec sheet so far, the handset seems to be designed for the overall multimedia consumption, making it one of the real contenders to be used in everyday life. OnePlus Z design. Back in December 2019, OnlyX and 91 Mobiles shared the renders of the mid-range phone from OnePlus that featured a centered punch-hole display at the front and a dual rear camera setup placed in a vertical module towards the left side of the back. True Tech also posted a hands-on picture of a phone claimed to be the OnePlus Z, revealing a design similar to the one showed off in renders along with an in-display fingerprint sensor. OnePlus Z processor. Earlier it was rumored that the OnePlus Z will be powered by a MediaTek processor, Dimensity 800 or Dimensity 1000 chipset. However, a new rumor suggested that the OnePlus phone could instead use the Snapdragon 765G processor. A Geekbench listing of the device spotted by WinFuture revealed the OnePlus Z to sport an octa-core Qualcomm processor with a clock speed of 1.8 GHz paired with 12 GB of RAM. OnePlus Z camera. Even though the renders of the OnePlus Z suggest a dual rear camera setup, some rumors claim that the device will sport 3 camera sensors on the back, where the primary camera will be a 48MP sensor paired with a 16MP ultra-wide-angle lens and a 2MP depth sensor. The front camera could be a 16MP selfie shooter. Some rumors also suggest a primary 64MP rear camera on the OnePlus Z. However, tipster MaxJ recently claimed that the upcoming OnePlus smartphone will be called OnePlus Nord and will have 4 cameras at the back. OnePlus Z battery. The OnePlus Z could sport a 4000 mAh battery with support for OnePlus's Warp 30T fast charging tech. The device is expected to run Android 10 out of box with the company's own Oxygenos 10 on top. The screen on the phone is tipped to be a 6.4-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus panel with 90Hz refresh rate. OnePlus Z price. The OnePlus Z was expected to launch alongside the OnePlus 8 series in April. However, the brand held onto the device for a later release. The phone has now been tipped to be launched in August, and there's a chance that it could launch in India first on August 25, 2020, and it could start at $450 or rupees 34,990 in India. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.